Blockchain is now making waves in ways that you might not expect. Are you familiar with the association of blockchain technologies with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin? Then you should know that there's a lot more to this revolutionary technology. Today we'll be diving deep into the world of blockchain, a technology that's way more than just digital money. Without any delay, here are the 7 unexpected uses of blockchain that are becoming a reality. It all began with Bitcoin, but now blockchain is a super powerful technology that is way more than just digital money. The main ideas of spreading power, being clear, and never changing are the building blocks for cool new things that we can use to change technology. Back in 2009, when Bitcoin started, not many people knew how big this new way of keeping records would be. In the last 10 years, smart people have been finding exciting ways to use blockchain technology that is much more than just using money online. Did you know that decentralized identity verification is the innovative area where our exploration of the unknown applications of blockchain technology begins? Blockchain offers a clever answer to a world where identity theft and data leaks are the primary issues. Blockchain technology has been used by visionaries like Civic to build a safe store for identifying credentials and traits. It gives people the ability to independently and anonymously check their vital facts, such as their age, citizenship, or professional credentials. Imagine living in a society where identity verification based on blockchain technology is the basis of all financial transactions, voting, and employment applications. It's just like your ID card, but way more secure. So when you're shopping online or using other online services, you can prove that it's you without worrying about hackers. Let us now enter the world of crowdfunding, where blockchain has created an approach to change. While Kickstarter and other sites lay the foundation, the idea of tokenized crowdfunding on the blockchain takes it one step further. This change has been driven by platforms like Republic, which lets projects issue digital tokens that stand in for ownership, voting rights, or potential future earnings. Contributors will now become active stakeholders who actively influence the course of the initiative that they support. They will no longer be silent supporters. Now let us look into the domain of supply chain management, which has been forever transformed by blockchain's potential. Now, blockchain offers an unheard of level of accountability due to its built-in transparency and immutability. Blockchain cautiously records each stage of a product's journey, from the point of the origin to the consumer's hands, assuring authenticity and preventing faking. Global industry giants are using blockchain to track everything from daily necessities to luxury goods, profoundly changing transparency and trust. For example, big companies like Walmart, Amazon, and even IBM are using blockchain to do something cool, which is nothing but tracking their goods. With blockchain, they can trace where those products came from, how they were handled, and if they're safe to use. This will add a new level of trust and safety to the product that the consumer gets. Our path takes an artistic route as we look at is revolutionizing media and content distribution. Blockchain-based platforms are rewriting conventional models of content monetization. Now, if you love concerts, you'll love this next part. Artists may reach a worldwide audience by tokenizing their music, videos, and other material. And fans can directly invest in the things they love. Platforms like Block Party use blockchain to make sure the tickets you buy are real. Artists like 50 Cent are using this too. So you can enjoy concerts without worrying about scams. Innovative pay-per-view and pay-per-listen business models are made possible by the blockchain's microtransaction capability. It opens up new business options for both content producers and users. The next segment of this video is about the healthcare industry, where blockchain technology has limitless capabilities. It has a significant influence on everything from clinical trials and medical supply chains to protecting private health information. Leading health organizations are experimenting with blockchain in order to improve security in electronic medical records, to automate the monitoring of prescriptions, and reimagine the administration of patient data. As you can see, it promises a future of effective, safe, and patient-centered healthcare systems. Let's now enter the focal point of democracy, where blockchain is changing the way elections and governments work. Blockchain aims to improve election accessibility, transparency, and trust by offering an unchangeable record of votes. Governments all around the globe are looking into how blockchain technology may be used to update voting procedures, bringing a new era of responsible and participatory democracy and increased public trust in democratic institutions. Finally, let's have a look at the real estate sector, where blockchain tells an exciting story. Did you know that some countries like Sweden and Brazil are using blockchain to record who owns what land? Yes, they use this technology and prevent any tricks or fraud. It's like a super safe digital land registry. The nature of transactions and ownership is being redefined by innovations like property title record systems. Smart contracts, enabled by blockchain, have the potential to simplify the complex process of real estate transactions. It will alter one of the largest asset classes in the world, transform the way we purchase and sell property. Now, as you can see, blockchain is finding applications that extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. What started as a vision for digital cash is blossoming into a general purpose technology that could transform how we manage everything from identities to assets to voting. Keep in mind that blockchain's influence goes well beyond its beginnings in cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is pushing the limits of innovation across a range of industries, from decentralized identities to tokenized crowdfunding, transparent supply chains to creative empowerment, healthcare innovation to government reinvention, and real estate transformation. These surprising uses have transitioned from visionary concepts to tangible realities. The future is here. These are just a few of the unexpected ways that blockchain is moving from visionary stage to practical reality as we continue to explore the immense possibilities of blockchain. I appreciate you joining me on this thrilling journey. Until we meet again, stay curious, continue dreaming, and always remember that the boundless potential of blockchain is only just beginning to unfold.